Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am comparing two very affordable moisturizers. The two moisturizers are the Pond's Superlight Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer and the Pond's Light Moisturizer. Both these moisturizers are meant for combination and oily skin type. So what is the difference in them is what we would find out. So, we will be comparing the price, packaging, texture, spreadability, and most important of all, the ingredients of these two to find out what is the difference in them. So do watch the video till the end. We will also find out if these can be used by all skin types. I have reviewed both of these individually earlier on my channel. The link of those videos would be provided in the description box below. So, let's look at the price first. A 73 grams pack of the Pond's Superlight Gel is priced at Rs 149 and a 74 grams pack of Pond's Light Moisturizer is priced at Rs 115. So, the gel costs you slightly more than the cream. Both of them come in a similar packaging. They come in these tubs. So packaging wise, I would say both of them are same. The Pond's Superlight Gel, as the name suggests, is a gel. And the Pond's Light Moisturizer is cream based. Here you can see how they look. Now, let's look at their spreadability. Here I am applying the Pond's Superlight Gel Moisturizer. It gets absorbed instantly and is non-greasy. Now I am applying the Pond's Light Moisturizer. This also spreads evenly and is non-greasy. So both have good spreadability. They do not make your skin sticky and are non-greasy. And now comes the most important part. We will have a look at their ingredients and try to find out which one is better ingredient-wise. The Pond's Superlight Gel pack mentions that it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. And the Pond's Light Moisturizer pack states that it has glycerine and vitamin E. So, vitamin E is present in both. So, one has glycerine and the other one has hyaluronic acid. Now, glycerine and hyaluronic acid both are humectants. Humectants are substances that help in retaining moisture in the skin. Glycerine is a smaller molecule. It gets absorbed in the skin and draws moisture from the deep layers of your skin. And hyaluronic acid is a larger molecule. It spreads on the skin and attracts moisture from the environment and keeps your skin hydrated. So both of them are extremely good at hydrating or moisturizing your skin. In fact, I would say that glycerine and hyaluronic acid complement each other, so you don't need to choose either of them, but you should be using both of them. When I looked at the ingredient list, I found out that Pond's Light Moisturizer also has fruit extract and niacinamide. These ingredients are also very good for your skin. I also checked the ingredient list of Pond's Superlight Gel Moisturizer, and that also has additional ingredients. So it has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, glycerine and niacinamide. So if you have to choose one out of these two, you should go in for the Pond's Light Gel Moisturizer, as it has both hyaluronic acid and glycerine, which are extremely good at hydrating your skin. So, the Pond's Light Moisturizer is the more affordable one. So, if you're looking for an affordable option and hydration, you can go in for that. But if you are looking for only good hydration, then you should go in for the Pond's Superlite Gel. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And do remember to press the bell button to stay notified about all the future videos. Also, which one is your favorite out of these two? Let me know in the comment section below. Till the next video, bye bye.